हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हाउ आर यू बेटा? कैसे हो आप लोग? ओके, नाउ लेट वी स्टार्ट द न्यू वन एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड इट इज फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेक्शन. तो फर्स्ट आवर एम is to study or to draw the current versus voltage characteristics of the P.N diode in forward bias. P.N diode मतलब it is a P-type material and N-type material made from the semiconductor. So we can form this P-type material and N-type material by adding some impurities in a semiconductor. So now the first the circuit diagram is first battery, then rheostat, connect the voltmeter here and connect the counter. This symbol shows the P-N junction diode. Here this triangle symbol shows a P-type material where the line is N-type material and P-type material is connected to battery positive. And this N-type material is connected to battery negative. That's why this connection is known as a forward bias. In practical, the circuit diagrams of board will be given. You have to connect the battery and voltmeter and connect current meter. So let me note down the readings. So in forward bias, the current will flow in low voltage. So here we will observe or note down some readings for the current as we increase the voltage. The range of the voltage is 0.02, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. And let me note down the values for the current of this given voltage, for the given voltage. Okay, now let me see the circuit diagram board. Okay, this is a circuit diagram or circuit board. Connect the battery here. So first let me connect the battery through the rheostat. This is DC battery eliminator and connect the wires here. Then connect, see it is so the voltmeter, connect the voltmeter positive to voltmeter negative. Connect here current meter positive to positive and negative to negative. Now this is a P-N junction diode. It is a actual P-N junction diode, while the triangle and line shows the symbolic, it is a P-type material and N-type materials, and this P-type material is connected to battery positive while this N-type connect is battery negative. So it is a forward bias. Let me study the characteristics of the P-N junction diode in forward bias. For that, let you take the zero current and switch on from here. Okay, now here it is a voltmeter, so it is a 0.0 and 0.2, so it is 0.0, 0.2 and the centered fifth division is 0.1, so we will increase is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and so on. While here in current meter it is 0 and it is 2.5, 5 mA, 7.5 and 10 mA and so on. So let me increase the voltage in 0.1 range and note down the values of the current. Now for the 0, the value of the current is also 0. Now increase the voltage by this rheostat. So pointer will be on 0 to 0.1. Even the current is 0. So initially current remains 0 because of the presence of the depletion layer in a P-N diode. Now for the 0.2, the still current is 0. For 0.3, the values of the current is again 0. Now for the 0.4, the current meter is slightly increased and it is equal to 0.5 mA. Now for the 0.5 voltage, 0.5 voltage, it is equal to 1.2 mA. Now again increase, it is 0.6 and 0.6 it is equal to 2, and for 0.7 the values of the current is 3. and 4.8 voltage. The values of the current is 3 and let me write it is a 4 mA. Okay, now let me note down this reading in observation table and let me draw the graph of I versus V, and we will study the characteristics of the P.N diode. Now students, let me note down this reading in observation table. Now for the 0 voltage the current was 0. For 1 voltage again current was 0, and for 0.2 again it was 0. Now for the 0.3 it was 0, and for 0.4 it was 0.5. For 0.6 voltage it was 1.20. For 0.6 the reading was 2 mA, and for 0.7 it is 3, and for 8 it is 4.0. Now let me plot the point for this one in a graph, and let me show the nature of the graph. So first I am plotting the point. It is 0.00, it is 0, again 0, again 0, 0.3 up to 0, 0.4 it is 0.5. Now for the 0.3 the current is 0, 0.4 it is equal to 0.5. So here it is equal to 0.5. Now for the 0.5 it is equal to 1.2. So here it is equal to, let me write the 1.2. For 0.2 voltage the current is 2 mA. 0.6, okay, it is equal to 2, and for 7 it is equal to 3, and for 8 it is equal to 4 mA. You will draw a smooth line joining to them and see the nature of the graph. This is the nature of the graph. Let me decide 2 points. One point is, suppose it is equal to 0.5 here. Let us say A, and let me say it is a B. For the point 8 A and B, let me find the potential difference. Potential difference is 0.8 minus 0.5, which is equal to 0.3. Similarly for the current 0.5, it is equal to 0.5, it is equal to 1.2, sorry 8, it is equal to 4.0 minus 1.2, so it is equal to 2.8. So let me find the ratio of the voltage to current. 0.3 upon 2.0 into, but the current is given in a 10 raised to minus 3 because it is a milliamperes. So let me write here 10 raised to minus 3. So 0.3, okay, by substituting this value delta VF upon delta IVF, I forward. So it is a 0.3 dividing by 2.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be equal to 300 dividing by 2.8. The answer is 107.14 ohm is a resistance of the diode for the forward bias. So in this way we can see the nature of the graph and we can study the characteristic, the IV characteristic of the P.N diode for forward bias. Students, please note down these readings in your journal and notebook too, and complete this experiment in your journal. Okay, bye, have a nice day, thank you very much.